Good afternoon. Today is Monday, May 18th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Joining me today are Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department, and Kenneth Dolan, Operations Manager for McPhee Ambulance. Over the weekend, Governor Cuomo issued some additional guidelines for counties that are in Phase 1 of reopening. I'm a member of the Central New York Regional Reopening Control Room, along with elected officials in our neighboring counties. We are working to clarify some of these directives, and we will continue to share information with you. For the latest guidance, I encourage you to refer to oswegocounty.com Restart, a directory of online resources to help businesses and organizations prepare for reopening. The governor announced several new activities that are allowed in Central New York. Outdoor, low-risk recreational activities are permitted so long as social distancing and cleaning and disinfecting measures are in place. This includes tennis, non-motorized boat use and rentals, such as rowboats, kayaks, and canoes, and golf and driving ranges, except for mini golf. Fishing charters and guides are allowed to operate following the criteria established by the state. Drive-in movie theaters may open as long as social distancing and cleaning, disinfecting measures are in place. Marinas, boatyards, and recreational marine manufacturers are open for ongoing marina operations and boat repair maintenance. These facilities must follow strict sanitation and cleaning guidelines. Restaurant activity is still limited to takeout or delivery only. The state canal system has announced a phased reopening. The Oswego Canal is scheduled to open by July 4th, but Lock 7 here in the city of Oswego will remain closed until the construction project is completed. The governor also announced that state and local beaches may open this Friday, May 22nd, at half capacity. Group contact activities such as volleyball or football are prohibited. Picnic areas, playgrounds, and concession stands will remain closed. Social distancing and wearing masks in public when social distancing can't be maintained is still required. With more testing supplies finally arriving in Oswego County, the health department was able to test several hundred more residents over the past few days. Diane Oldenburg is here today to give us today's COVID-19 report. Diane?
Thank you, Chairman Weatherup. As of today, we've had 3,194 residents tested or have been scheduled to be tested today. We have 82 positive test results that have been reported to the health department. We have 69 residents that have recovered from COVID-19. We have 10 active cases of COVID-19 currently in the county. We have 3 deaths related to COVID-19. 2,812 negative test results have been reported back to the health department, and we have 291 pending test results. Currently, we have 79 residents under mandatory isolation or quarantine. Thanks.
Thank you, Diane. This week is National Emergency Medical Services Week. Our emergency medical crews are essential to protecting the health and safety of our residents and visitors. Today, we've invited Kenneth Dolan from McPhee Ambulance to tell us what it means to be an EMS provider. Ken?
Thank you, Chairman Weatherup. We appreciate this opportunity to share information about the county's emergency medical services and how we work together to serve our citizens. As the Chairman said, this week is National Emergency Medical Services Week. The purpose of EMS Week is to bring together local communities and medical personnel to honor the dedication of those who provide the day-to-day life-saving services of medicine's front line. It's also the perfect time for EMS providers to thank our Oswego County community for your support. Here in Oswego County, we have 7 ambulance services who provide pre-hospital care to the public. From the time we are dispatched through the county E911 service through transport to an area hospital. Our ambulance services, including Mentor Ambulance, Donald McPhee Memorial Ambulance, NOCA Ambulance, North Shore Volunteer Ambulance, Oswego City Fire Department, and the Student Association Volunteer Ambulance Corps at SUNY Oswego. In addition, Brewerton Fire Department Ambulance, which is based in Onondaga County, serves residents in the southern portion of the county. These ambulance companies are staffed by volunteer as well as paid emergency medical technicians and include both for-profit and not-for-profit agencies. More than 500 emergency medical technicians, or EMTs, answer about 2,000 calls a week. Many providers work multiple jobs and serve in more than one agency. Being part of an emergency medical services team requires extensive training and ongoing certifications, but it also brings a great sense of pride and accomplishment, the opportunity to help your community, and the opportunity to advance in the EMS and healthcare profession for those who choose to do so. Oswego County's EMS community has always been a supportive group who help each other out. We never know what situation we're going to be in, whether it's responding to a stroke, a coronary case, a serious accident, or delivering a new baby. It's impossible to do our jobs without working together with other agencies. When we bring a patient to the hospital, everyone on the call does everything we can to ensure a positive outcome. We work well together. COVID-19 has brought a whole new set of dangers for our first responders. Having an adequate supply of personal protective equipment and knowing how to properly use it are critical to maintaining a strong and healthy emergency medical workforce. To prepare for and respond during the pandemic, the EMS agency leadership has been participating in weekly virtual meetings. We work closely with Renee Fox, the County Emergency Management Office, to communicate issues and take a proactive approach to solving problems. We've received outstanding support from the county leadership and from the community. The number of hospital transports has decreased over the past few months because people are worried of getting exposed to the virus. But we have seen an outpouring of generosity and gratitude from the community for what we do, and that has been very rewarding. From donations of coffee, protective equipment, and thank you notes, we appreciate every gesture. The emergency medical services have always been a strong presence in our Oswego County community, and we are proud to serve Oswego County citizens. COVID-19 has made us stronger, and we appreciate this opportunity to say thank you to our community for your support during this challenging time.
Thank you, Ken. And thank you for the hundreds of EMS providers with your countless hours of training and service to our community. We must all take personal responsibility to keep this virus from spreading by following the social distancing protocols that are in place. Please keep referring to the Reopen Oswego County page and the COVID-19 page on the county website for online resources and credible information. Stay safe, and thank you for your continued patience and cooperation.